Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine. Here I'm Hina from Akal Academy, Takra Sahib. I'm teaching science to grade 7th, chapter number 2, acids, base, and salt. So, in our everyday life, we are using different types of acids, base. Generally, acids are used for cleaning purpose, like we are using Dettol, phenyl, and colline. These contain some amount of acids, and bases are like toothpaste. We are using toothpaste, soap. So these contain, detergent. These are containing acid bases. I will have question for you. Why we don't have acids in toothpaste, soap, and detergent? You will reply me in comment box. So in this video, we are going to learn about what are acids and what are bases and how can we distinguish them. First of all, I will tell you the general point regarding acid and base. Acids are generally, we can taste them. If we will taste an acid, it will generally sour. Its taste is sour. While if we taste any base substance, it will be bitter. Bitter in taste. This is the general property we have. So, can you name some things which are sour in taste? Yes, you all can tell me what are sour. Sour means khatta. Okay, so tell me what are sour things like lemon, lemon juice, citrus fruit like orange, lemon. These are sour in taste. Okay, except this curd, yogurt, these are also sour in taste. So they contain acid in them. This is on the basis of their taste. Now, can you name some things which are which are bitter in taste? Yes. Yes, it is neem, bitter gourd. They are totally bitter in taste. Bitter means kadwa. Okay. So, they have base in them. Is it clear? So, these are some basic examples for acids and base. Now, how can we differentiate them in scientific way? There are two things we have. Indicators for differentiating acids and base. There are some natural indicator, we can say, and some are artificial or synthetic, where we use chemicals. So the things we use to indicate as an indicator are known as acid base indicator, or simply we can say indicators. These are the material which we use to differentiate acid and base. So we call them indicator. Spell it with me. Indicator. 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 It can be natural. It can be natural. And it can be artificial or synthetic, we can say. Alright, in natural indicator, we use litmus paper. Maybe you have heard in your junior classes, litmus paper, turmeric, China rose, juice of China rose, juice of red cabbage, juice of red cabbage, China rose, and juice of turmeric and litmus paper we use as a natural indicator. Now, in synthetic, we generally use phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, PHENOL, phenol, phthalein, PHTHALEI. So, students, at home, we can use turmeric indicator easily because turmeric is available at every home, every place. So, China rose, if you have, you can perform of that also. Red cabbage, if available, you can perform of that, as well as of litmus paper we can buy from stationery shop, or we can prepare it with the help of lichens. But in today's video, I will show you with the help of turmeric juice. So let us discuss how. So how turmeric react with the acid and base. First of all, so keep in mind while performing with turmeric juice, if we add any acid in turmeric juice, then there will be no change. Okay. And add base in turmeric juice, it will turn the yellow juice into reddish brown. Reddish brown. Now see here, no change. Now let us check. For this activity, we can either prepare a turmeric juice or we can prepare a turmeric paper. How we need to prepare turmeric paper? Take turmeric and make its solution little thick for making turmeric paper. Now, secondly, what you have to do, you need to apply it on plain paper like this. I have already applied and dried it. Okay. So you can prepare a paper like this, right? You can even cut the strips, as well as you can directly apply the solution of base and acids. I have taken here washing powder, which is a base. I will make its solution. If it is in solid form, you need to make its solution by adding water in it and few drops of lemon juice, because lemon is a acid known as citric acid. I will tell you the names of the acids and base also after this. This is soap solution. Let's check what will be the effect of this soap solution in our turmeric. Here you can see it's changing the color. I have not taken any color on my brush. Anything we can make of it. Okay, its color is changed. Now you can see easily. Yes, I think you got it. And if I apply the juice of lemon on it, it will remain unchanged, or it will be little yellowish. We will check for the lemon juice, which is an acid. If I apply it on turmeric paper, which I have prepared, it will not affect it. It will remain same. The color of the turmeric remain unchanged. Or we have here curd, which also contain an acid, lactic acid, curd. So it will also not affect the. It is also not affecting the. You can see I am using curd. It is also not affecting on our turmeric paper. So it is proved that turmeric paper remain unchanged on applying acids, while when we apply base on turmeric paper, it turns reddish brown. This activity you all can perform in your home in presence of your parents. Now another thing we have an antacid. It is also base which help in reducing acidity in stomach. So it contains generally magnesium hydroxide. Let's see, it's a base and what will be the effect of this base on this paper. We can see here it is not so strong base, that's why the color is not changing immediately. But you can see the color is little changed. So this way, while using turmeric paper, we can identify different types of base and acid at our home. So it's a task for you all to tell me that what does paste contain. Is it salt, basic or acidic? You can do it is thick, so you can add some water to make its solution and apply it. Similarly, you can do for the tomato juice. You can take out its juice and check for it, and you can do for Dettol, you can do for fizzy drinks which is available at your home, you can do for soap, and you will reply me any fruit you are consuming. You can do for same for that too. Okay, whatever available in your home, you can make list for them that they are basic or acidic. Similarly, we can perform it for China rose and red cabbage. What will happen in China rose? If you will use China rose juice, what will be the indication? Acids will turn into pink color and bases will turn into green color, light green color. Okay. Similarly, we have for the red cabbage. In red cabbage juice, what will happen? Acids will turn into dark pink because the red cabbage juice will be in pinkish color, light pink in color, and it will turn into dark pink or magenta, we can say. And similarly, base will change into green color. This will be same in red cabbage and China rose. Acid will turn into pink and base will turn into light green color. If we talk about litmus paper, litmus is obtained from lichen. It's a very small plant, and when we add base into red litmus paper, it turns it blue. So you need to make it base to blue. Okay, this way you can remember it. And similarly, if we add acid in blue litmus paper, it turns into red, opposite to it. Okay, so you can learn it by BB, short form blue base. Okay, blue base and AR, acid, turns into red. Okay, this way you can learn it, otherwise you'll get confused. Now the last we have phenolphthalein, synthetic indicator. It's generally a colorless chemical which turns red or pink in basic solution and remain unchanged or neutral, we can say. It is neutral or remain unchanged in acidic solution. So can you tell me, if I add citrus acid, means lemon juice, to phenolphthalein, will its color change to red or pink or remain neutral? Yes, it is neutral. And if I add this soap solution, then it will turn red or pink. This way we can identify the acids and base around us. Before going, watch an activity which is very interesting. It's a sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, which we use in our cooking, for cooking. Okay, but we have to take a pinch of baking soda on a paper and put citric acid on it. Citric acid, you understand now. Lemon juice, few drops of lemon juice, and see, the sound is also coming, bubbles are also coming, means there is some reaction in it. What we call that reaction, that also we will learn. I'll just give you the few outline for the reaction. What is the symbol for sodium, which we have discussed in previous chapter, Na. And bicarbonate, yeah, we can say sodium hydrogen carbonate, CO3. Citric acid formula is C6H8O7, and it will give citrate. So sodium citrate, Na, C6 will remain same, H5O7 will remain same for sodium citrate, plus along with the sodium citrate, here we have seen bubble. These bubbles are formed due to the presence of, but here also you can see, if I'll put this pinch of into it, here bubbles are coming. These bubbles are of carbon dioxide. These bubbles shows the presence of carbon dioxide. So CO2 is carbon dioxide and H2O is released. Okay, so these bubbles formed due to the presence of these bubbles, or we can say effervescence, shows the presence of carbon dioxide.
In next video, we will learn about the detailed account of acids and bases along with their name, and we will also learn the uses of them.